Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being well equipped with popular features. Features also include heated seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moonroof. With these ratings, we are pleased to show you the 2018 Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for from any point of view, more than meets the eye, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, all-wheel drive, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.